subscribe to our channel and don't forget to tap on that bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload a new video on our channel.
So in this video I'll be showing you how to install TWRP and download a custom ROM and also put it on your device. Firstly, you will have to download a recovery image, a super SU file, and just show them in the file manager. See, this is the super SU zip file, and then this one is the application you got to be using, and there is also the recovery image. I am not able to find that. So after installing the app named RASHR, you got to open that. Okay, you got to give allow. Got to backup all your files, but as there is nothing on my device, I will not be backing it up. So firstly, I'm not responsible if your device gets bricked. You got to give recovery from storage, then downloads, then for all your phones there will be a recovery image. You need to select that one. Yes. Reboot into recovery now. Yes. And then you got to get that custom ROM copied onto your hard disk, I mean your SD card. Now you got to select install, then under downloads there will be a super SU file. Swipe to confirm, flash, done. As you can see, it is successful. Then you gotta go home, then again zip file, start up a level. I'm going to install the Resurrection remix now. You need to back up your data also as well before getting into such tasks. Just because I don't have anything on this device, I'm not backing it up, and that is in my external storage. So this is the RRN, then done. Flashing. It will take some time. So now it is fully completed, successful. So you got to give reboot system. So your normal boot process. This is the Resurrection remix. So this is how it boots up. I'll just open the settings for you. Screen lock, wallpaper change. Let's check out what now we get. This is the same thing which was there on the device. Hey, the storage. Okay, this is in Russian. And there are gestures. Jump to camera, double taps to sleep. This is the status bar. Oh, it works. Oh, camera. Oh, this is the only thing on Resurrection Remix which is good. Camera, not bad. Okay, switching back to the settings, we have the we'll check the Android version. Just focus it, Android 7.1.1. So our operating system, something is in Russian over here. Device name Smart Surf 4G. It's fully changed. Look at it. And no, but most of the devices are running on Android 7.0, but this one on 7.1, which is X, which is very special. Resurrection Remix. Look at here, you can do the clock customizations. So much customizations are there in this thing. We can also change the font size. System icons also can be changed. And super user indicator. And Resurrection Remix has much of things. Omnismith, some new music, there's a screen recorder app, Super SU app. That's all for today. Thank you. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, and if you like the video, give us a thumbs up, else dislike, and let us know what you feel in the comments.